Why are we making weird noises? Are you okay? No?
I just have both videos.
Oh, okay. Alright, so, like I said, you can use whatever website or draw on paper, however you want to do it. Personally, I really like Canva because, like I said, they've got all these different templates you can use. You can sort of search for different sort of templates. I think when I started to kind of create mine, I went to create and look. What has it got right there?
Infographic.
Infographic. And what are we making, Jadorian? What are we making? Infographics. I'm just making sure that you're paying attention and alive. So when you click on infographics, check it out. They've got a whole bunch of different templates you can use. All of these are editable. You do not need to use any of the things that are written. You can change it to fit your own statistics. So say, for example, that you were going to talk about students at school. And let's zoom in so we can see. So I'm going to pretend like this is my school uniform one. Why? Because the kids are wearing uniforms. So I'm going to be like, I'll put in, students in uniforms. So you'll add whatever text you need to add. Uniforms. You can move things around. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at technology, you know that. Students in uniforms, why are we still giggling, guys? What's going on?
He's getting exposed of.
Alright, so you can see the kids on here have uniforms, so it fits my infographic theme. And my concept was all about why uniforms are good in schools. So I would change each of these headings to maybe be a different statistic. And maybe I would explain the statistic underneath. At the very bottom, I would probably include my sources. And I would just sort of change it up and tailor it to match whatever my claim is. Then you can save it. Everything is free. You don't need to get like Canva Pro or anything like that. You should be able to make your infographic with no problems. I know some of you said, can I use Google Docs? Yes, you are more than welcome to do that. If you want to put it together on a Google slide, you can do that. If you want to draw it yourself, because you have a very specific idea of how you want to lay it out, also totally fine with me. Right now we're going to start working. Some of you still need to get a few statistics. Some of you still need a couple sources. So I'm going to start walking around to the people that I wrote down who might need a couple extra minutes of help with me. Otherwise, go ahead and take out your statistics. Go ahead and take out your evidence that you were working on and start trying to think, how are you going to put this together as an infographic? Your main goal today is to start planning it. Yes, Brock?
So what type of infographic?
So, Brock, I was going to come and chat with you because I know you were absent all last week. So I want to sit down and sort of like talk you through and reteach sort of what we talked about last week. Yeah, Mikey. So right now I want you to take out your statistics, take out your evidence that you've been working on. I want you to start planning how you're going to make your infographic. If you're ready to start working on your infographic, go for it. You can start working on it. It's due on Thursday. Otherwise, this Thursday.
Does it have to be
The
one
29th.
Does it have to be only one page?
Have the infographics we've been looking at been one page or multiple pages? Yeah, they've been one quick page. You only need 5 to 7 statistics. Bam, 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 bam. It's super simple. Don't overthink it. Don't stress. Your topic? Yeah, you can totally. Just make sure that you have your 5 to 7 pieces of evidence and 2 sources, reputable sources.
Wait, if we change our topic for the infographic, do we have to change our topic for the other?
No, I will still grade what you had turned in previously, but if you choose to change your infographic topic, that's totally fine. Because I know some claims maybe might not work as well as others. Some of them I know you guys said, well, like, oh, this is just an opinion, and you couldn't find many things to back it up. So feel free to change it if your claim is too difficult to put into an infographic at this time. But again, you don't have to start it today if you're not ready. You can work on getting your statistics. You can work on getting your evidence together. You can just start planning how you want to lay things out. You can look for pictures, things like that. So let's go ahead and work on this for maybe the next 20 or so minutes. And we will reconvene and try to get a little bit of the reading done for today. Sound good? All right. And then Brock, let me come over here to you. So, do you remember, were you here when we made the tweets or were you not in that day?
What day was that?
So that might have been Monday or Tuesday. So you might not have been here for that. So basically, we talked about like what's a topic that you're passionate about, right? Something you could argue a point about. So is there one that you are thinking of, one that's standing out to you?
Why are some kids going against some, people that make food?
Mm-hmm.
Places?
Okay. So you want to argue that, what would your claim be? Like vegans are being too aggressive, or how do you want to phrase it?
Actually, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. So think about that and just kind of think about